Hi, my name is Bert Konings and I am the Director of Marketing for Emerson Process Management. Our aim is to share best industry and application practices when you are in trouble with measuring temperature throughout the plant. Temperature is the most common measured process variable at the plant and its availability critical to your reliability, safety and quality requirements. If you look at current installations on pipes and pipelines, often intrusive type sensors utilize a sensor in combination with a thermal well as a common practice. Often though, viscous materials lead to thermal well fouling and obstructions in the process. And obviously, you've experienced cases where flow, pressure and the chemical composition of a fluid affect your freedom of choice. All these cases are showing that intrusive temperature measurements have to be replaced by a more reliable, easy to maintain and easy to install temperature solution. What if you were in need of adding a measuring point at an existing installation and installing a thermal well directly into the process pipe is not an option? The Rosemount pipe clamp sensor is easy to install and its design provides maximum flexibility to add a temperature measuring point to a current pipe without having to make intrusions. As the vibration is by far the biggest root cause of failing sensors and thermal wells, the pipe clamp design sensor is especially designed to deal with these challenges. The silver tip sensor increases the response time and ensures process integrity. If the pipe clamp sensor assembly is combined with the wireless transmitter like the Rosemount 248 with the Polymer Housing, you get the perfect solution if you want to install a temperature measuring point at a difficult to reach location. The housing of the Rosemount 248 wireless transmitter is made out of a lightweight polymer, so it minimizes vibration effects and reduces the weight significantly compared to traditional housing materials. The industry-leading temperature solution with pipe clamp sensor and wireless transmitter helps you to reduce engineering, procurement and installation cost. My challenge to you is to bring forward applications where you are in need to measure temperature, but at the same time get confronted with earlier discussed considerations. Are you interested to see what these solutions look like or learn more about Emerson Process Management capabilities? I invite you to visit the Emerson Process Management YouTube channel and select the Measure and Analyze category. Or many more videos about pipe clamp solutions and others can be found there.